Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will make crispy rice noodles. It's a South Indian style recipe, nutritious and healthy recipe. For making this recipe, I took 1 cup rice sevai, wash and keep aside, 2 stems of fresh curry leaves, a big teaspoon roasted urad dal, a medium size onion, a teaspoon salt, and a pinch hing, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a tablespoon cooking oil, half a teaspoon mustard seed, quarter teaspoon jeera and a teaspoon chana dal, and a dried red chili. Pour 4 cups of water in a pan, add a teaspoon oil and a teaspoon salt, let it boil. Then add sevai and just cook for 2 to 3 minutes till tender. Refresh in cold water for several times, then strain and keep aside. Heat a tablespoon oil in a kadai, reduce the heat and add half a teaspoon mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon jeera, 2 curry leaves and a red chili. You can break the red chili, wait till jeera turns light golden. Then add chopped onion and cook till it turns light brown. Add a pinch hing and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute and then add roasted urad dal. Now drain the water from the chana dal and add to it. Stir for 2 minutes till dal turns soft. Add boiled sevai. Mix well. Give a quick stir till rice sevai is crispy. In this stage, you can add some lemon juice and chopped coriander leaves. Heat a teaspoon oil in a tawa. Then add a stem of curry leaves. Remove from fire. Then add the curry leaves on crispy sevai. At this stage, you can sprinkle some salt. Mix well. Our crispy rice sevai is ready for serving. If you are giving this recipe to your child tiffin box, remove the red chili. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.